So it's that time of year again, right? We all look back and try to figure out what just happened. But what if there was a totally different way to do it? Today, we're going to dig into how you can use AI to take all those scattered memories from your year and weave them into a clear, really powerful story.
I mean, does that sound familiar? You know you grew, you know things happened, but trying to pin down the specifics, it can feel like trying to catch smoke. You're just kind of left with this vague feeling that the year, well, it happened.
And that's really the heart of the problem, isn't it? When we just sit down and try to remember everything, it's so easy to get lost in the noise of it all. But what if we could take that fuzzy, vague feeling and sharpen it into real, meaningful insights? Let's see how we can pull that off.
Okay, so that blur feeling, it's not you, it's not a personal failing or anything like that. It's just what happens when you don't have a structure for looking back.
And the solution is pretty cool, actually. We're going to use AI as a kind of non-judgmental mirror. And let me be clear, we're not using it to write for you. No. We're using it to reflect back the patterns and themes that are already hiding in your own words. But first, we gotta talk about the #1 rule of working with AI. Garbage in, garbage out. It's simple, really. The quality of the analysis the AI gives you is 100% dependent on the quality of the stuff you feed it.
But here's the exciting part. We can just flip that on its head. Good input leads to amazing output. When you feed the AI the raw, unfiltered data of your year, you can uncover these powerful insights that you almost certainly would have missed otherwise.
All right, so let's get into the how-to. It's actually a pretty simple 3-step process. First up, we're going to gather your raw data. Then second, we'll harvest insights with the AI. And finally, number 3, we'll generate your personal keyword map. This is our roadmap from that big blur to a really clear story. Okay, let's break this down. Step 1, gather your raw data. And I can't stress this enough, the keyword here is raw. We're talking unfiltered journal entries, maybe some feedback emails, random meeting notes, whatever you've got. Don't edit it, don't polish it, don't censor yourself, just dump it all in. Now, once you have your text, you give the AI a prompt that looks something like this. See what you're doing here? You're asking it to be an analyst, not a storyteller. It's just finding the patterns that are already there in your own words. And hey, this works for professional stuff too. A prompt like this can take a bunch of praise and criticism and just distill it into objective data. It helps you see your strengths and where you can grow without all that emotional baggage attached. It's pretty powerful. But look, that first response you get from the AI, that's just the beginning. Now we get to step 2, harvesting insights by turning this into a real conversation. You've got to ask follow-up questions. Hey, what's up with this theme? Or tell me more about this connection. This is how you turn a simple analysis into your story. And you've got to try this one. This is a powerful reframe. Ask the AI to turn your list of challenges into a list of lessons learned. Just that one simple command can totally shift your perspective. All of a sudden, those hard times become the very source of your growth. And please, don't forget to look for the good stuff. It's so easy for us to focus on the struggles, so you have to explicitly ask the AI to find your biggest wins. This makes sure you're actually celebrating what you accomplished. All right, now for the final step, the big payoff, creating your keyword map. This is basically your entire year summed up on a single page. This is your final prompt. You're asking the AI to take everything you've talked about and boil it all down into the core vocabulary of your year, and then organize it by theme. It's the whole shebang. And what you'll get back is going to look something like this, just a clean, powerful summary. You might see words like resilience or patience or collaboration. And remember, these aren't just random words the AI picked out of thin air. They are data-backed descriptions of your unique journey this year.
And here's where it all comes together. This is so important. The AI gives you the objective data. Now, it's your turn to add your subjective truth. Look at that list and pick the 3 to 5 keywords that really, truly hit home for you. This is where you combine the AI's analysis with your own human wisdom.
And just like that, there you have it, the story of your year, grounded in both data and heart. So why does all this matter? Why go through the trouble? Because when you have a clear, data-driven story, you can finally see your true growth. It's a way to honor the entire journey, the good, the bad, all of it, and find a genuine sense of closure that's so hard to get otherwise. So as you try this for yourself, I want to leave you with the question, What's going to be your aha moment? What surprising pattern or maybe validating insight is the AI going to reflect back at you? And how is that going to change the story you tell yourself about your year?
And finally, take those keywords, the ones that really resonate, and make a visual map out of them. Let it be a beautiful reminder of the year you've actually lived. Because understanding the story of your past isn't just about closing a chapter, it's about giving yourself a roadmap for the future. Thanks for tuning in.